2, you're live.
Hello friends, I'm Cesar Kenja for PHR Realty Group with my friend
Abel Fregoso, Homebridge Financial Services.
We are here in the city of Winchester. Beautiful day to be outside. We tried to go live the first time. We went live, but we couldn't see anything. So we're gonna be here for another 1 hour and 50 minutes. So you're welcome to stop by. We have given so many hot dogs. We have only 2 packages of hot dogs left, which is like 9-10 hot dogs.
That's it.
So the first 10 people that comes in here get hot dogs.
That's right.
Well, a beautiful property located at 35615 Denver Circle in Winchester, said in English.
We are located at 35615 Denver Circle in beautiful Winchester.
Beautiful property, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,202 square feet. Is built in 2006 and only listed at $415. Whoa! This property qualified for VA, zero down, conventional, FHA, and if we don't have the loan, Abel make it for you.
Yep, if you don't have any down payment money, we'll take care of it. We have Cal Hafa, we have Platinum Select, we have Platinum, all these programs available. If you don't have any down payment, we can make it happen for you.
Well, we're gonna be here till until 4 again, guys. We're here at 35615 Denver Circle, property in Winchester. 4 o'clock, me, my little friend Robert Rivera, hot dog, snack. Abel, what would you like to add also if somebody wanted to call you? What do you do, Abel? Tell them what you do.
We are in the financing business. We're a lender, and we have so many products. We can refi, we can do loans for people with bank statements, people that just can't verify their income. We're able to get them approved. Come on by, come and see me. I'm at 619-572-3316.
And who else would you like to address?
I'd like to address all the realtors out there. If you're looking to purchase, we can make it happen. We got bank statement loans. We have loans that are non-qualifying. So, you know, give me a call.
So if a realtor wanted to contact you, you would be the best bet. We understand that you, as well me, we have relationship with other lenders. Give him a shot. I've been working with him for a while now, and I tell you, I like him not just because he's a good guy. He's actually good doing loans as well. Not just because he cook good hot dogs. We are good. So just give him a shot. You're not going to be regretful. At PHR Realty Group, you know, we don't sell we don't list the property, we sell them. Robert Riviera is making fun of me, and I don't like it today.
You butchered my slogan. At PHA Realty Group, we don't list homes, we sell them.
And what time today? Saturday, September 15 is almost 2:15. We're gonna be here until 4.
Come
Today, ba-boom, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Submit a full offer. Caesar will pay your closing costs.
Yep, and I gotta make sure that the seller will know that because the seller came from Robert. Bye.